This is my 1994 Ford F150. I just got it for 2,300 bucks. 5-speed manual. It's got the 6-cylinder in it, and I think this is gonna be the perfect cheap daily driver. The reason this is gonna be such a good daily is all because this motor right here. It's the Ford 300 cubic inch inline 6. They put these in tractors. If you take all the EGR and wiring out, it is a super basic engine. It's gonna be super easy to work on and extremely reliable. First thing I'm gonna do with it, I'm gonna fix the oil leak. It's only leaking a little bit, but I don't wanna leave a puddle everywhere I go. I'm gonna see if I can find a cheap leveling kit or a lift kit for it. You can see the front suspension is sagging down a good amount. So I wanna level that out. Keeping it on a tight budget though. Don't wanna do a whole transformation, so don't be expecting that. Look at all this doo-doo all around this engine. You can see down there. It's all caked up. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh, so much sludge.
Was that?
Yeah.
Really doesn't look too bad in here. I felt a giant chunk of something land on me though.
I saw it.
Roman numerals.
3.
Is this 3?
Mm-hmm.
No, it isn't. Oh yeah. This was definitely part of the issue. This gasket is hard as hell. Yeah, no, this thing why I chose this color?
You already told me. Keeping it in my car. Why would I keep it in my car? Stop talking to people.
This thing is my job.
Probably. But he's so inside.
Okay. The truck's up on jack stands because I found a $200 leveling kit off Facebook Marketplace, so we're gonna put that in, and that brings our total up to, after the gaskets, about 2,600 bucks. I was not recording, but this breaker bar is not functional anymore. Now I finished up with a lift kit, but look at this camber. I'm gonna adjust the camber bushing though, so hopefully that fixes it.
Allison, Yarborough, and Richard Petty running in that order down the backstretch.
I've made an amazing discovery. As you can see, there's no key in here. Definitely gonna replace that. First drive, the alignment is not terrible, but it's not the best and hasn't fallen apart yet. So I'll give another update when something bad happens or if something good happens. Been sitting all night. It's 40 degrees out. Gotta get to school. Let's see if it starts. Oh, that's the door key. Hold on. There we go. Alrighty. Spectacular. Now I went and ordered a test if this was a good daily driver. I drove it around for a week and was gonna record any issues I had with it, but there were none. So I guess this is the end of the video. $2,600 bucks. This is a pretty damn good daily driver.